project we're standing next to right now is the 1.5 million gallon water tank to serve the entire Kemmerer and Diamondville area.
We have some older tanks that actually have been crumbling, one of which has had to been taken out of service because the actual roof has crumbled in.
We've improved the water pressure in a lot of parts of the town, including out at the mine and at the power plant.
A lot of the homes are building farther and farther up on inclines and on the hills, so we needed something above them to feed them water rather than installing all kinds of various pumps. We have a developer that is looking at a 291 acre area, possibly putting in some new homes, apartments, some businesses, truck stop and the like. So you can't do that without water to the area, so this is very beneficial for the economic development for the Kemmerer-Diamondville area.
With the location of the new tank and the transmission line, the capacity is there to serve the entire town and any future needs as well.
This is an excellent addition to our water system, and we're very grateful for it.